Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV. So, you guys, listen, I have a question. Am I being unreasonable in wishing that we were not seeing as much of Umseleku on Ingan as a team as we are seeing? Am I being unreasonable in was it naive of me to think ukuthi on Ingane Zesithembu we were going to go through episodes not seeing the parents, not seeing Musa Mselegu, not seeing the wives, just seeing the kids? Was I being unreasonable? Because honestly, that's how I pictured the show. And I think last year they did manage to do that, even though we saw them, but not as much, maybe an episode or two. At this point, you guys, it feels like we are still watching Utano's team. Angiko happy. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, guys. I really wanted it to be about the kids. And also, we know with a lot of the things that Umpumelelo is doing, Musa is behind them. Some of the things he just pretends that it's Umpumelelo's ideas, but it's really Musa Mseleko's ideas. You can see, even when Umpumelelo is trying to explain to tonight's episode, even my daughter was like, how Umpumelelo usekhuluma njengomseleku? Because when he's trying to explain points where you know or you feel ukuthi these ideas are coming from his father, he's even trying to sound like his father. But doesn't talk like his father. But now, when he's explaining certain points, he'll be sounding like his father because really it's not even his ideas, it's his father's ideas. And he's trying so much to please his father, he's trying so much to be like his father. I was hoping that we were not going to see as much of them. I know they're producing the show, even with Makumalo is producing the show. And by the way, you guys, how come Below or any of the girls did not get any producing credits? Why? Because why? Didn't Pumelelo contribute money to put together the show? Because I kind of feel like Below is producing. But when I was looking through the credits, I didn't see Below. Below, please, as the producer, before I get mad. Labafaka umpilo nje sikhathalele into abafana benziwa important. What did Bumelelo do to be put there as the producer? No, please put Bulo. Umpilo is producing. Bilo is producing, guys. I think she's doing a lot of organizing. I think because Makomalo is also one of the producers doing a lot of organizing the events and everything. She's the one that is just moving the show forward. And I'm like, at this point, she should be working behind the scenes. Okay, she's been the one at planning this trip. She planned Luanda's birthday. She also planned didn't she plan the sleepover too? And at this point, she's producing the show. Just put her name on the credits and remove Pumela because what did Pumela do? Okay. But anyway, you guys, I'm not there. Okay, there is another point when it comes to this show. What I am asking you guys is, was I being unreasonable? Was I being naive to even think that we were going to get Izingane Zesithembu on Izingane Zesithembu? Why are we getting abazali bezingane zesithembu on Ingane Zesithembu? Why? Why the parents? Why so much of them? Just one episode would have been enough. I mean that meeting with the parents, Kavuyo, I understand you guys. Maybe in that very same episode, the conversation with Mpumelelo could have happened. The rest of the time, Mpumelelo can just tell us, you know what, I went home, I spoke to my father said this, I went home, I spoke to my mom. Like, do we have to see them as much as we are seeing them this on the show? I'm like, because yeah, I wanted to skip that scene, but I wanted to hear what they're talking about because I always want to confirm that what I'm thinking is really what's going on, and it's always confirmed when I listen to the conversation. But what I'm asking is that was I being unreasonable in wanting to not see Umseleko on this show? Just see the kids. Just see the kids live. The show is called Ingane Zesithembu. Can we just see Ingane Zesithembu? I mean, I'm tired of that, man. Nanokuthi vele his thing is the same. Like his sins are the same. His views, his opinions are the same. If he's shooting a scene, you know what he's gonna say about something. So on this show, you guys, I just wanted to see the kids. I really just wanted to see the kids. I'm just venting because I was like, not another, like he has been on every episode. I'm like, hi, Bukanti, what's happening? Oh, next episode, hi, Bukanti, what's happening? The next one again. Hmm? I'm tired, guys. I just want to see the kids on Ingane's team. That's all I'm saying on this video. Is that I was hoping that we were not gonna say as much as of Musam Selig on this. I know he's a producer. You can work behind the scenes. It's okay. It's okay. We can influence things, but we just don't have to see you as much on the screen on this particular show. Uyabona-ke on uthando lesithembu every scene, every episode, every diary session, every house, you have to be at every house because we shoot with Mangwabe, we want to see you there. We shoot with Makuman, we want to see you there. We shoot with Nacha, we want to see you there. We shoot with the trips, the everything, uthando lesithembu, perfect. But on Ingane Lesithembu, I just don't want to see Musa that much, okay? And I'm the older audience of Ingane's team because obviously it works because I am watching. So obviously they do have older audience, and on my channel I do have older audience and younger audience, and older audience do comment, which means they're also watching the show and they're also interested in what's happening on the show. But even as an older audience of this show, I don't want to see Mseleko on it. Even me, I'm like, hey guys, no. I don't know. I hope that the next season they do it different. I do hope that. And also, when he is on the show so much, it doesn't feel so much like they're in. Because sometimes it's just like, we know that they're not independent. It's just like they're at the back influencing how things are happening and all of that. But we want to not feel like that. We want to not see that. So when they appear on the screen so much, it feels like it's still their show and they are still the ones influencing what's happening here. And so the show feels like, we know it's an extension of Uthando Nesithembu, but it doesn't have to feel that way. So it feels like even the decisions that the kids are making, it doesn't feel to you as the viewer like they are really like independent decisions that they are making for themselves because their father is so present on their show. And so it feels like it's not a show that is separate from Uthando Nesithembu. Do we need to see Musa Mseleko as much as we are seeing him on the show? Am I the only one? Am I the only one that's feeling like, oh my God, here he comes? Here he comes again. Okay. I don't know, guys, maybe I'm being honest. And another thing, you guys, I would say if maybe they were really like shooting scenes with all of the cast and the show was boring and then they brought him Selig, I would be like, okay, maybe they felt like they really needed him to come. So that maybe people that like to watch him would want to watch the show. But they're not shooting the other cast that much. They're not shooting Usne that much. They're not shooting Abo that much. The only time we actually see Abo is when Abo is with everybody else. But Abo alone, just her life separate from the other siblings, we haven't seen her much. Ulwandle, where is Lwandle's girlfriends? Or girlfriends? Where are the girlfriends? The girlfriend that was supposed to be pregnant, where is she? So there are things that we are not seeing with regards to the kids' lives that we could see. They're not shooting that, but they are giving us Umseleko. Sicela ukubona iy'ngane on Ingane Zesithembu. And then abadala, we will see them on Uthando Nesithembu. I know I'm not producing, but I'm a very important viewer, okay? I'm a very important viewer. Sicela nje noma i-episode or 2 or 3 or the rest of the season without Ubaba Mseleko. Sesibongile, sesizwile. Siyabonga.